We're exploring the exciting realm of plant-based cuisine today and understanding the benefits it offers to our meals. Come along on this delightful adventure with me as we investigate the reasons for the growing number of individuals adopting plant-based diets. Imagine a platter that is bursting with vibrant hues, mouthwatering aromas, and satisfying textures that feed your body from the inside out. That is the allure of plant-based cookery, a gastronomic craze that has won over many people's hearts as well as stomachs. People's dietary preferences have changed dramatically in recent years, with more and more choosing plant-based diets as a way of life. However, why the change? It's a comprehensive movement toward a better, more sustainable way of living, not just the newest culinary fad. A major factor propelling the trend toward plant-based diets is our increasing consciousness of our environmental footprint. People may help reduce their carbon footprint, conserve water, and promote more sustainable agriculture methods by making plant-based food choices. The renaissance of health. The demonstrable health advantages of a plant-based diet are another important reason. According to studies, switching to a plant-based diet can improve heart health, reduce the chance of developing chronic illnesses, and increase general well-being. It's a nutrient-rich route to better health. Adopting a plant-based diet is also seen by many as a humanitarian decision. People who choose plant-based diets support humane and ethical treatment of animals during the food production process. Let's now explore the advantages that turn a plant-based diet into a life-changing decision for many people, rather than merely a fad. 1. Nutrient-rich goodness. Vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fiber, and other vital nutrients are abundant in plants. A plant-based diet guarantees a varied and nutrient-rich intake because of the colorful variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains that are included. 2. Heart-healthy bliss. Put an end to your concerns about cholesterol. Diets based mostly on plants have been associated with lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and heart disease risk. Your heart will be grateful for the affection. 3. Weight wellness. Research has demonstrated that plant-based diets may effectively regulate weight and even cause weight reduction. The high fiber content keeps you feeling content and full, and the naturally reduced calorie density helps you lose those excess pounds. 4. Gut-friendly eating. Eating a plant-based diet helps to maintain a healthy gut microbiome. Plant-based fiber provides energy for good gut bacteria, supporting a healthy digestive system and a well-balanced gut. Why is plant-based better than others? Considering the variety of diets available, one may question what makes a plant-based diet unique. Let me tell you the details. 1. Sustainable living. Diets based on plants have less of an impact on the environment than diets based on animals. Making plant-powered meal choices helps create a more environmentally friendly and sustainable food system. 2. Long-term health benefits. Several studies show how plant-based diets might lower long-term health risks, such as those related to heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and several malignancies. It's a tasty way to make an investment in your health. 3. Compassion for all beings. Ethical treatment and compassion for animals are compatible with a plant-based diet. It's a diet that encourages a more compassionate attitude toward food while nourishing your body and spirit. As we come to the end of our investigation into the realm of plant-based cuisine, it is evident that this way of living is a movement toward a more sustainable, compassionate, and healthful future rather than merely a fad.